Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of distinction between field and its knower. Chapter 13, Shloka 27. Whenever any being is born, the unmoving or the moving, know you, O best of the Bharatas, that it is from the union between the field and the knower of the field.
यावत् सञ्जायते किञ्चित् सत्त्वं स्थावरजङ्गमं क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञसंयोगात् तद्वित्ति भरतर्षभ. Chapter 13, Shloka 26.
Chapter 13, Shloka 27. The various paths available were listed in the previous shloka. What exactly is the ultimate goal to be realized is explained now. The world constitutes the moving and the unmoving. The moving are the conscious beings and the unmoving the inert objects. Few have two factors, the Purusha, spirit, and Prakriti, matter. The world is born neither from the spirit nor the matter, but as a result of the combination of the matter and spirit. This relationship between the field and the knower of the field is that of mutual superimposition. In every superimposition, a delusion is recognized upon a substratum like the ghost in the post. As a result of this superimposition, we find that a non-existent ghost come to our experience while the existing post becomes a non-existent ghost with the illusion of physical limbs and ghastly behavior. This is a trick of the human mind called superimposition. In the pure consciousness, there is no field of matter. The field of matter has neither existence nor sentiency, but the spirit plays in the field, Prakriti, and becomes the knower of the field, Purusha. And when the Purusha plays in Prakriti, the combination breeds the entire plurality constituted of the moving and the unmoving. With careful discrimination, when we successfully discover this play in ourselves, the vision of plurality recedes and we understand that the ultimate truth is the substratum on which both Prakriti and Purusha play. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.